We can put this thing for talk. Put it right so. Now this strap off for that. Good morning, lovely people. Not everything nobody for coming on this live. Can be ignorant, you know, from one to the live and Facebook block me. Snow fall and for come out to the house. Jesus. This not ordinary. This no she and falls. And I must come out of this. Anyway, if you do what you got to do. Who is on the live? Anyway, this is it. Good morning, lovely people, or good day. I have a topic, a matter to adjust. Let me talk in some distant way before I get in my language patois. A man, my sister called me the other day. People in here, they said, my sister, my blood sister, called me the other day and tell me that her man, me, you see, send him Facebook requests. Yeah, I send him Facebook requests. It not done this up. I said, okay. And he looked through my profile pictures and see me and man a kiss. Me say me, you know, me not know my sister man come in Jamaica a long time. And my sister not even fit for this man. Me never seen him alive, I never seen him when me dead, you know. Me say what? Him say yes, him see me, he look through my profile and me send him Facebook friend request and he see me a man a kiss. Me say what? You know, my head get up here so one time, just a spin like gig. Me say where your man name? She say a man name Jonah Reed. Just show me that know a man. Me say who Jonah Reed the singer? Because I don't know who's Jonah Reed she talking about. Because I never meet this man when I was in Jamaica. She said, no, this man have on no shirt and him have on tattoo. You know, I'm going to look for the man one time on Facebook. Because me, not out of my mind for saying no man, no friend request from Jamaica. Because guess I know now, them have on something where they say, wah, siren, and me not have it. Because they not name foot and they not name silver. So me not there for my no man, if me I got my man. 2. This nasty dirty man Junior Reed now from Barbican. I gotta tell you something. If you look a way out, if you want a man for fucking your bottom, if you're tired for fuck my sister and you want to fuck man for fucking your bottom, now use this a bitch name. Yeah? Because no for no a man a damn woman a blood clot night. Long time at Jamaica. So if you look a getaway if you come out of the closet, don't use my fucking name. Okay? Because if me look man, me not look you, because you look like at first me I say Maga Mangy dog get fat. Me never see that in my life. Me never see a Maga dog get fat yet, a mongrel dog get fat. You come like the Bellevue patient them, we have to take the pill up. We have to take the pill them and get big and fat. You're big na blood, you're big and fair and done up. Wet cardboard barrel. Don't call up my name from blood clot with nobody. Because me don't know you, me don't want to know you. Me don't want to know you because guess what now? If me I take fuck, hear this and hear this plain. You see the Christian people them just come up from my page. For now. Let me talk the nice things then. You say, me I take fuck? My bottom now want to see your hood. Because get you now, it will catch up cold and sneeze. Because me not know when my sister do with you in the first place. Eh? You look like them big sour blood clot cabbage where does as well. Where they in some blood clot water for much days. Where? Move. Go and get something and clean up your body yourself. Don't come my name if you want to be gay. Because no fun a gay long time. Me not trust in Jamaica now. Because, listen to me. When you go in front of them woman them, look how now do now. The man then the bear now the woman there in front of Sonia. Hey, give me, put it in now. On the blood clot, on the love likes, and the look on blood clot people. PH, I look at spot them there. If I send them friend request, because me not send you friend request, I send them friend request, so my friend me know you. Me can't want send friend request to a man at Jamaica if me look man. I sorry more year my years. After me not work with police. Me not work with police, fire brigade, or ambulance, blood cleat. Don't call up me name, man. If you want to leave my sister, tell her say he's a gay. But you see this bitch name, don't use my name, okay? And me don't talk. Me don't talk. I should have a blood clot photo for you. Make a put you up. And now if somebody want like me, child, come again. Because me expensive. And you na name foot. And you na name silver. So me na know which part me for blood clots and you na in my category. And my colleague are friends them. Okay? I have decent friends. I don't want you to be on my Facebook page. Hell no. After me now work my Bellevue. You look like them big Bellevue patients where I take the tablet them where I get big and fat and I know what to do. Go exercise. Hi Shani, good morning. Love you all.